This is Mike Puma, guys. What's up? Here's another Marketing Monday. So today I'm going to do a screen share right here on my phone, and I'm going to answer and show you a really easy way to create contextual content for all the platforms, because it's one of the top questions I get is how do I create content without taking one post and posting it with my hashtags and everything across all the platforms, which feels awkward. It doesn't work. It's just not meant to be. Each platform is unique. They have different audience. You have a different audience in each platform. Your audience cares about different things. They consume differently. Everything is unique about each platform. And so we need to be contextual to that platform. And there's lots of ways to do that. I'm going to show you a very, very easy way where you can essentially create one piece of content that will be contextual to all the platforms and the formatting and everything. And the easiest way to do that, I've talked about the app before, but I'm going to show you a way to utilize the app, which is Canva. It's a free mobile app. You want to download it, and it looks like this C right here. So we're going to open up Canva. This is how easy this is. I'm going to do this from a mobile device because I know most of you prefer to do things from your phone, right? We're always on the go. This is a very easy way to do it. So when I open up Canva, you'll see up top here, I've got Instagram posts, Instagram story, all these different things. Those are just formatted to those sizes that are perfect for it. If you don't see what you're looking for, you can search it. But we're gonna start with a Facebook post. So I'm gonna click Facebook. And then I'm gonna simply find a style here that I like, and we're gonna do something very, very basic here. Let's just pick, and it can really be any of them. Let's just pick, I'm gonna pick this one here. And once I pick the design, I can now edit this. And one of the easiest ways to make a post contextual is I can actually ungroup this, okay? And delete out anything I don't want. And I'm gonna say, hey, actually we'll do, hey, Facebook, did you know that you can buy a home for zero money down? Okay, this is just a simple post, guys, and this could be anything. My point is, as simple as, I'm going to resize this real quick to make it fit into the image, right? Then to change the image here, I'm just going to click images. I'm going to search home, and I'm going to find a house picture that I like. And let's just say that one. Now it's in the background, delete it. And I'm going to say message. And we're going to say message for details, okay? Something as simple as this, and I am going to format this a little differently. I'm gonna make it feel like a letter. So I'm gonna come in here and I wanna capitalize that. And so now I'm literally addressing this post to Facebook, right? And I can drag and I can do all this stuff because Canva is really, really cool from that perspective. And I'm going to drag this down here. I'm going to bring this line. I'm going to drag this up because I want just this line. It's tough to grab that line on my mobile device here. Okay, so I'm going to bring this down and I'm going to bring that back up a little bit right here. And maybe I like that, right? If I want to add in my logo, you can always upload your logos in here. So I could upload my logo. And drag and center this. Okay, something as simple as this. Now, the key to this post, guys, is hey, Facebook, did you know, right? Now, I'm gonna take this post and I'm going to click done, and I'm going to click this download button. And this just saved it to my camera roll on my phone. So now I have this for Facebook on my phone. Now, most of you are gonna say, well, now if I wanna post on Instagram, I've gotta create a completely different post for Instagram. Let me show you exactly how easy that is. Canva keeps all of your posts. So now if I come back, these are all my designs. If I click these three little dots and I click make a copy, it duplicates the post And I can come in here and say, hey Instagram, right? And I'm gonna edit this text to get where I want it. Hey Instagram. Did you know that you can buy a home for 0 money down? Okay. Done, saved. Now I have a post for Instagram. Okay. Maybe now I want to create a post for LinkedIn. Edit, make a copy, click it, come in here, make sure you get your cursor where you want it. Hey, LinkedIn. Okay, I promise you guys, I know this seems like a super small thing, but just addressing the post, being contextual to the platform, you will see an improvement in your engagement. I guarantee it, okay? Now, there's obviously more advanced ways to do this, right? We can start to get very advanced by changing the picture in the background. We can write different copy. We got to make sure our hashtags are there on Facebook. We got to make sure hashtags are not there on Facebook. Hashtags got to be there on LinkedIn and Instagram, etc. This is just a very simple way, to the point where even if you said, I want to then take this and put it in Instagram stories, right? Instagram stories, you're fortunate enough where LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram and the feed can all use the same size image, right? That's not the case with stories. So let's now say, well, I've done Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, but now I want to do a Facebook or Instagram story, or ideally I want to do both. Cool. Well, if I make one story post, that'll work on both. So now I hit make a copy, right? But if instead of that, I can click this resize button now on the copy, and I can say, no, I don't want it to be an Instagram post. No, I don't want it to be a logo. No, I don't want it to be a poster. Nope, not an invitation, not social media. I want it to be, let me see if I can search here. Here we go. I want it to be an Instagram stories. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna click your story and resize. And now it made it vertical. See how it resized everything? And now I can drag everything to make it make sense on this image. Okay? And I can resize everything, and I can come down here and I can start to manipulate this to make it all make sense. And I think you guys understand how this works, right? And you're following me here. So this is literally how it works. And then I save this. And now I've got a post for stories. So I created one post. And obviously this wasn't the greatest design. I just wanted to do it very quickly to show you. One design, guys, has led to all of this. So I hope this helps. Use this tool, guys. It's free. Canva.com. Download the app. Go into your app store, search Canva, download this app. I promise you will use it, and use it like this to be contextual to the platform. Okay, I hope it helps. As always, if you have any questions, anything at all, please shoot us a DM, shoot me a message. We're here to help, and I hope this brought a little bit of value today. Have a great holiday, be safe, and have a great 2020.